Welcome back to this session. Now in this session we want to find out the sum of angles in a triangle. We want to find out the sum of angles in a triangle. Now for us to start this exercise, we are going to draw a triangle. So here I have my ruler which I'm going to use. So I'm going to just basically make a big triangle. I'm going to draw a big triangle. So you can draw whichever size of triangle that you want. So for me, so I have this triangle here. So this is one of the angles, A. Then we are going to call this one B and this one C. Now the next thing we are going to do is that we will cut off the angles in this triangle. So we want to cut off this part, and this part. So we are now interested in these angles, which we are going to cut off. So you can get a nice paper scissors. Get a pair of scissors to cut off this triangle. So every time you're drawing a triangle, you have to use a ruler. So don't use your free hand, otherwise you're not going to get the results, the kind of results we want. So there, I have my triangle. Then I'm going to cut off the angles. So I could either just cut them off anyhow. You don't have to be so careful about this. So we can cut it off in that way. So put that aside, and then on our paper we can draw a straight line. So we want to arrange these angles on the line. So we have the angle C, the angle B, and this angle A. So I could place my angle A here, not in any particular order. So then I have my B there, and I have my angle C there. So what do you notice? These angles are on a straight line. Let me put my ruler here so that this one can lie flat. The three angles are making a straight angle. Okay? Angle. So again, I can arrange them again in a different, starting with this angle. I could decide to put angle C there and put angle A here at the center with the vertex on the line, and then angle B can come on this side. So there, I get the same results. All the angles are on a straight line. So this makes a straight angle. So that is one fact in geometry. Angles of a triangle add up to 180 degrees. Angles on a triangle always add up to 180 degrees. Now here I have my protractor. Now a protractor is calibrated two ways. So we have the clockwise, 1 to 180, and then we have the anti-clockwise, that way up to 180. So this is our center. So this is the part where you're supposed to place, this part you're supposed to place it on the vertex of a triangle when you're measuring. So we are going to try and measure the angles and see what we get. So that is my vertex. So I'm going to measure I'm going to measure from this point going that way. So this is 91. So this is 1. So this is 91. So the small parts, you have 90, 91, 92, 93, 95. This is like a midway, and then to 100. Okay. So this is 91 degrees. So this angle here is 91 degrees. Okay. Now let's measure this other side, this angle here. So we are going to make sure that the straight line is lying on this line here. The straight line on the protractor is lying on this line here, and then the vertex should be the center of the protractor should be on the vertex. So since our straight line is here, we are going to start from this point, 0, going this way. So this is 40, 45, 46 degrees. So this is 46 degrees. Then now we measure this part. So make sure that your center of the protractor is on the vertex of that angle. So we're measuring from this side, going anti-clockwise. So